And another thing I want to say before I get off here today here on TikTok about y'all black women. Okay. I want to say something about y'all black women now. I know y'all gonna drag me on this. You ain't gonna like what the hell I got to say. But them damn long ass goddamn eyelashes that y'all went wearing, that if y'all think that shit look good, you need to think again. Let me say it one more time. All y'all black women, I'm talking about y'all black women because I don't be around them that many white women. I seen y'all black women got them goddamn eyelashes that damn long, huh? Look like you got a damn umbrella, all right, on your eyelash. Y'all think that shit look good? That shit really don't look good on you. I'm be perfectly honest with you. That shit do not look good on you. All right. I don't know who gave y'all the idea to wear some shit like that. Something you got to glue to your goddamn eyelids, huh? That shit don't look good. Everybody know that eyelashes don't grow that goddamn long. Okay? All right? Everybody know that shit falls. Okay? And it really don't look good on y'all. I don't know why y'all spend your money on it, because it don't enhance your look. All right? It don't enhance your looks. It don't make you look any better. Okay? I mean, if that's what y'all have to wear to get a man, you can't, well, this one man you can't get with that shit. When I see that shit on your eyes, I don't give a damn how fine you are. I'm going about my business. I'm not going to even holler at you. No. Because I like natural beauty. Eyelashes that goddamn long ain't fucking natural. That shit fake. You look like an animal, a cow or something. Don't damn about eyelashes go that goddamn long. What's wrong with y'all? You ain't satisfied with your natural eyelashes? You got to glue some shit on? Y'all need to set your ass down some goddamn well. Okay. That shit look stupid. I see a girl goddamn the other day, them motherfucker with that goddamn long. Okay. She can hardly keep her goddamn eyes open. That shit was heavy.